Welcome. In this video we will see subdomain. If you ask me what is subdomain, I would like to say you subdomain means a domain under a domain. Like for example, www.paypal.com is a domain and the subdomain would be like shopping.paypal.com. If you ask me why I'm teaching why we discover subdomains, it's because subdomains are the less traveled path, or you can say these are the part of website which are visited by very few, and almost all hackers who do bug bounty program would have not tried the subdomains. Subdomains are less traveled path. Under subdomain, the probability of getting bug is higher. So for a bug bounty hunter or a hacker, it's pretty important to know how to discover a subdomain. The first method I would like to show you using Google Doc. I want to search subdomain for PayPal, so I'll go site paypal.com. Google may sometimes ask you to write a CAPTCHA because Google want to avoid robots using a Google. So for site paypal.com, I've got these results. So these are just almost all of the links of PayPal. Now I want to filter it. I want subdomains. I don't want this www.paypal.com. I just want this www. So I will type in URL. So I will type hyphen in URL colon www. So now you can see www got disappeared. Here we just made a space for other results by telling Google to ignore this www. So the new URL we discovered are manager.paypal.com. You can open this URL and try your luck for the bugs. Demo.paypal.com, shopping, and so on. You can see there are lots of shopping subdomains. Now I want to make a space for other result. So I would type here in URL shopping to make a space for other results. Like safetyhub.paypal.com, commerce.paypal.com. You can try your all hands on these places. There are some other websites like dnsdumpster.com. Here also you can go and search for subdomain and DNS and all information. Like the name itself says, DNS dumpster. Just type the target URL and bang. Like let me type here paypal.com. The hosting is done in United States. The DNS server information, the host records, subdomains you can see here, certificates.history.paypal.com, business.paypal.com, apps.paypal.com, and so on. So in this way there are many more websites. Do check description of this video for URL for all those websites. So let's move on. One more method we got is a brute force to find subdomain. As brute force itself says, it just tries some list of words to find a subdomain. Like for example, in brute force method, if I would like to find a subdomain of a PayPal, then I'll just type log.paypal.com in browser and check whether it responds or the host does exist or not. If it exists, then it has a subdomain and I will list it. So in this way one can find subdomain by doing brute force. There is no need to do this manually. No need to worry, there are already software present to do this for you. Like Subroot, DNS Scan, Nmap, Recon NG, DNS Recon, Fierce, GoBuster, and many more. So this is how subroot looks when you use it with Python. See description of this video for the list of all this software. So that's all. Go and find subdomain for a particular website. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.